Hello and welcome to a Monday special. My name is General Stone. I'm bringing you my daily analysis today. Of course, it's Monday the 9th of September. Moving swiftly through, of course, on the board behind me, you'll see my major points of the day. I do work for the fantastic Options.com. Apps are available via iTunes and Android. Moving in, looking at China first of all, having some amazing China data, really uplifting to the global market share. There are some worries, however, through the US on that quantitative easing stimulus. We're also looking at some doubts still through from Syria. So a lot of traders out there are hedging their bets. Do not be confused. The general share price is rising. Moving through, still in that sort of region, going into Japan, unfortunately for them, consumer confidence has been falling. Consumer confidence to the normal man like me and you is very simple. That's where they judge how many products people are buying, from the very minimal small items to the big luxury items like yachts and big sports cars. Unfortunately, consumer confidence has been on the way down for some time, and what we're really seeing there is the major worries over labour, demand, and of course, those big news items, the wages. Moving straight forward, we're still in that general area. Tokyo, of course, has won the 2020 Olympic bid. Way, fantastic for you guys over there. Very happy. I think they needed some of that uplifting news, especially after the last year or two that they've gone through. I don't know about you guys, but I've got much love in my heart for Japan. They bring up so much technology for people like you and I to use, and I'm really happy for them there. On the back of that win, you're actually seeing Japanese share prices, of course, skyrocket up, but unfortunately that yen price is still coming down. Moving into the hot picks of the day, this is a section that I think I'm going to continue to work on. Many of you have written in since my last few videos asking what to trade, how to trade it, what's going on. That's always why I've got my Skype ID up here and on the video comments. Please do connect with me, and we can always talk further in terms of strategy and appeal in terms of which assets are moving. On to my particular hot picks. I think you'll like this one. Looking first at Vodafone and Apple. Vodafone is in the middle of a very large merger deal with a German cellular company. Right now they're having a problem actually bringing together the amount of money from investors to go forward with this merger. I can tell you though that the owner of Virgin himself, Sir Richard Branson, has never really failed himself yet when it comes to a merger deal. Should they get this one through with this massive German conglomerate, we will see Vodafone prices probably reach an all-time high and skyrocket from here on thereafter. Also looking at Apple stock, really simple with this one. I hate to be Captain Obvious, but they are bringing out a new iPhone or two in another couple of days, perhaps a week or two. We all know what happens when they do that. Bing, 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 price goes through the roof. Looking at the US dollar, Japanese yen, here is my favorite currency pick for the day, and I will tell you why. A little feeling inside me tells me that very shortly we will see an all-time historical high price on that dollar yen. And here are the two reasons why. Number one, Japanese consumer confidence. Right? Along with this Tokyo scenario for the Olympics, the value of yen is coming down and the value of US dollar is rising up. The reason that these two separate currencies are going to be moving in that way, there's many reasons. We've got Syria, we've got the share prices, we've got the general news. But I can tell you that it's about time we saw an all-time high. Very recently, dollar versus Canadian dollar had a historical high for the last 5 years. Trust me on this one, these hot picks will do you well. My Skype info is in the comment section below, and of course, best of luck trading today.